Hey everyone, it's GXL Tech. Today I'm back with another tutorial. We're gonna learn how to update our drivers today. That's very easy. It's gonna take 30 seconds. Let's get started. Okay, when you're on your desktop, go to the magnifying glass on the bottom and click on settings. Then go to Windows Updates and check for updates. Give it a 5 to 10 seconds to complete the process. As you can see, my system is up to date, but if there were any driver updates, my computer would download them automatically. After we're done with that, go to the magnifying glass yet again and click on Device Manager. If you're not seeing this in your menu, go ahead and type here to search Device Manager. Click on it. And you will see all of your devices inside your computer listed here. What you can do is go ahead and expand by clicking an arrow. You can see the whole list of your drivers here. I'm going to go ahead and check if there are any updates for my webcam. So I'm going to press the arrow. I find the integrated camera, right click, and click on update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? If you have a ready file downloaded from the manufacturer, you can use Browse My Computer for drivers. If not, you can go ahead and click on Search Automatically for drivers. As you can see, Windows did not find any new updates, but if there were any, it would find it and update it automatically. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, definitely drop them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and I'll see you guys next time.